Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this eye look. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. If you really like this look, please give it a thumbs up. So here I'm taking in my Morphe palette, the 35B, and I'm taking the lightest purple color that's almost like a gray undertone, and I'm going to be blending that in with a fluffy brush. Now I'm going to keep packing on that color to make it more darker. Now I'm applying like a darker shade of purple from that palette again, and I'm going to be blending this only from the crease and slowly moving my way up. I took this color and I applied it into my crease area, and I'm still applying it just to really deepen up the look. I'm going to start off by applying the concealer from MAC, the NC20, and I'm only going to be applying this on the lid to make sure that my glitter stands out a lot more. And the brush that I am using is a flat concealer brush from the Coastal Scents brush set. Gotta make them eyes look like sunsets. And I'm gonna go ahead and apply this color again from the Morphe palette just to make sure that the concealer and the eyeshadow color does not blend in together. Whatever I'm chewing on looks good. Now I'm taking in that BKR Cosmetics palette that I made by myself and the duo glue, and there goes 10 cents. But now I'm going to keep applying that because we can't waste. However, I do recommend using the clear duo glue. That way your color of the glitter doesn't get mixed up or get like a darker shade from the darker glue. Here I'm packing on the coconut rose water onto my brush to make sure that the liquid, like the wet brush, holds most of the glitter. So you can see that I packed on the glitter, but I'm slowly working this from the lash line all the way up into my crease, but doing a little bit out of it by doing a little at a time to make sure that I don't mess it up or get a really chunky glitter effect. Just gotta keep dabbing, dab it.
Down, down, bitch, down, 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 down,
Now I'm gonna go ahead and spray this clean brush that's also dome shaped, and I'm gonna go ahead and pack on this highlighter, and I'm only gonna apply this into my inner corner to really brighten up the eyes. This really helps with making your eyes appear a lot larger and cleaner. And I'm going to be applying the mascara that I've been using so far, and it is from Wander Beauty. You want to make sure that you don't apply this onto your falsies. You want to make sure that it's only on your eyelashes to help them blend in a lot better. Now I'm going to be going in with the same colors that I used in my crease, and I'm going to be applying it onto the lower lashes, starting from the outer corner and slowly working my way in. Now I'm going to be applying some Cover FX primer, and now moving on to foundation. The shade that I'm using currently is NC20, and the brush that I'm using is from Real Techniques. I'm going to be dotting that all over my face, and slowly blending that in without dragging the brush, just slowly dabbing it all over. Now some MAC powder, and I'm only heavily applying this like on the highlight areas, like so. Not all over the face because I'm gonna look a little too pale. Trying to look great. We could do anything to have a bit. Now to contour. I'm gonna go ahead and start applying some bottom mascara onto the bottom lashes. And it really doesn't matter if it's bottom or top. I don't know, it's just mascara. I don't know if you guys can see the difference between my real lashes and how the lashes extend with this mascara. It's amazing. Now I'm going to go ahead and take this palette, the one that I was telling you guys about. It's only $10 at Kohl's, with this really cool brush that I got from Marshall's, which sucks because it doesn't really pick up on the highlight powder, even if you spray some Fix Plus on it. And I'm going to keep struggling with this because it's really not picking up the pigmentation on this highlight. But let me know, what colors do you guys tend to go for on your birthdays? This is the color that I went for just because purple does make the brown eye stand out a lot more. Let me know if you guys liked any of the other colors that I showed in the palette. And once again, thank you so much again for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.